Welcome back. This second video of Nanu Mudalvan that is IoT, is SQUID, the Street Quality Identification project work. So, as we said in this first video, we have seen in the introduction part, that is what what we have in the about the introduction, about the use case, about what the project has to, what the project has to be explained, how to gonna execute it, then how how we are able to knew about some details about regarding this project we have seen in this previous one. So in this second video we got to discuss about how the IBM Watson IoT platform, that is, should be installed and created, and how are the devices are configured. Then before that, how to create an IBM cloud creation. Then finally we have how to install a Node-RED to the Windows, to our Windows, and how to develop the device code in the under prerequisites, and how we are going to what are the ideation phases and project design phases I explained in this project. We're going to discuss in video right now. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, opening first things first. Yeah, opening the logging to IBM. This the IBM ID should be come over here. We have to give your Gmail ID so that you can able to get the IBM ID as well. Then continuing this one, the password requires a password. So we can those show like this. Give remember me the check given the tick box. If it is necessary, you can tick, otherwise it's not. So I'm just giving this because I'm not giving the remember me, not able to enter into the cloud creation account. So after the long time of after longest struggles, finally I created the IBM cloud. So I'm logging into this verifying it. Takes too much of time, so I'm gonna enter this. Yeah, as I said, now after creating the logging into the IBM dashboard, here in the link is given. This is my IBM ID as well. What I have given my Gmail address, the same IBM address will be updated to IBM ID as well. Here we have seen trials like IBM Cloud, a blue colored box is given. So it said it tells to launch it. So I can press. So after that, IBM Cloud automatically creates it. This while we are creating IBM Cloud, you should follow some basic 21 steps creation account in this one, so that we can able to modify you can do a project works, how you can able to do a project regarding this. So we can able to configure this. Then so first things first, visit to the college or Nanu Mudalvan career education website to log in the platform. You have to log in as a student platform, enter your registered email ID and password. Then you have to click on the login button as well, as I done before it. You have to use credentials below to log into the platform. Then this page will become as a student dashboard. Once it created in the student dashboard itself, I'll just open it, my student dashboard here. it asked my student login, so I have to give the email ID and password I have given previously, and then logging in. So this much of details will be provided in here. Entering this the entering straight away to the profile, which what I have logged into the last what I have done lastly. Then my registered number will be placed. Then email ID will be here. What the mobile number I gave is placed here, and a degree either I'm currently pursuing a Bachelor of Engineering, Computer Science Engineering department as well. I'm in Ali Muhammad Saleh College of Engineering. Also is there in this profile page, except date of birth and alternate email ID. So in the left most corner, just click on the dashboard. You'll see my official student dashboard, and we can see so much of videos what they have posted before. First things first, student onboarding a procedure to access the resources given after the enrolling the project. Is the brief description about the procedure for this. Then next video we got a ideation phase, how to create the empathy map canvas, defining the problem statement, and of course brainstorming an idea prioritization, how to edit is available here. Then project templates and project design phase 2. Phase 1 is here, phase 2 also down is here. In the both parts of project design phases, you gonna have to edit this much of templates, like first project design phases, like proposed solution architecture, solution requirements, technology stack, then data flow diagram, how to edit a data flow diagram. In this template we have briefly explained in this video. Then how to upload GitHub files to the GitHub, we have seen this. Then final, after before concluding the project development phase, they are given in the performance testing file will be provided here. And finally we have project orientation section, how we have to explain with the use cases, and how the way to present it in the why we have project work. In this we are running while running news, we see please find the sample project phase templates, makes use of this template to submit the phase document, so that you can able, while we are clicking this one, you can able to see the non-mudal one engineering phase templates, or they are created their latest thing. As I said, we have ideation phase, we have brainstorming idea and idea priority generation, then define problem statements and empathy map canvas. Right? In project design phases, we have proposed solution template is given, and the solution architecture device is given. Sorry, the PDF is given. In part 2 of this phase, we have data flow diagrams and user stories, and also the solution requirements, and finally a technology stack is given. Right, in this project development phase, we have three different many types of performance testing PDFs, project PDFs documents. For me, I got IoT, so I can able to edit this performance testing. In this, we have to include the screenshot and also the code what you have developed before, right? Then when coming to the project, you have to finally create a project report for documentation for submitting the non-relevant project. Yeah, we have introduction, ideas and proposed solution, the requirement analysis, project design, then coding and solutioning, then this is final research, and advantages and disadvantages, and conclusion, future scope. And last things first, last but not least, appendix, source code and a GitHub and a project video demo link will be provided in this project documentation report. Yes. In these templates you can able to, with the help of these templates you can able to complete the project as well. So that's why they are provided with the templates. In training calendar we have they uploaded lots of recorded sessions. Then in assignment and we can see the lots of links what they have provided in the assignment. And also they ask me anything, you can able to you can register the link, but after 7 o'clock it won't be allowed it, so just leave it out. Then coming to the projects in the dashboard, you see project that is SQUID, that is SQUID, street quality identification is there. In the left hand side access resources is there, and the right hand side we have chat with mentor. By pressing this chat with mentor option, you can able to see the project title, project group name, and also the mentor's name also will be displayed at the top of a chat with mentor option, right? Then going back to this, clicking access resources, see how to complete a project based experiential learning, right? These are the plenteous number of steps to do a project works, so that we can able to go to a project works, right? You can complete a project. And by pressing another one you are able to, you have seen SQUID and how to create a IBM cloud account. You have got a president under this, like courses.tns, dc.skills, network.sites. In this website you are able to view it. Then you have to enroll this course, right? Then we are closing this. Then by pressing the start learning will be enabled here in this page. Go to class option button is pressed, and project description is also pressed here. To detect the cracks and street quality, we can train different classifiers using computer vision. Like as we said in the first video itself, I have left out this point, so it's okay. But you can able to get rid of cracks while driving or riding the bike or car. Right? We can able to identify and the road cracks what they happen in the road, and should be an awareness of that, so that you can able to do you got to manipulate in the future. We can able to manipulate the project in future, right? Coming to the learning courses, we have introduction to IoT, then design and this device, then how to start a node thread, and we have IoT based communication protocol also will be available here. This much of different protocols what they are using in this connectivity project and connectivity service. Then next pressing design an IoT device. Here it IoT mobile device, you have to how to turn on the smartphone into an IoT device, how we are able to connect it, installing a MQTT server, something is able to get a server wide, like Ubuntu also this service will be available, but since I'm using Windows, I'm able to manipulate that, right? Then let's just close again. Introduction to IoT, right? Yeah, this one is big this diagram is very quite big, so I'm not going to explain much. Like, we have data management basis, external data, the IoT governance, blockchain, network, enterprise data, device management, IoT info models is there, right? You can able to download either the PDF or a PPT file. It's up to a wish. Then just gonna close it. Yeah, this PDF file is here. How IoT class will be here. Then that's it. Coming to the guided projects, click on it. Just go to workspace for it. These are list of the list of contents what they have provided for the project, right? So we have this SQUID, that is a key quality identification. We got how it describes a project. Let's see. Low cost data platform that integrates open source techniques combined district imaginary. As I said before, the camera detects the pitfalls and sends the message over the cloud. There, while we are traveling to one place to another place, or with the help of a bike or a car, some cracks will be available here. Maybe will be happened, but you to detect it. Yes, we are gonna insert a Arduino basic camera. We're gonna manipulate the Arduino code and then gonna detect the camera as well. Then they reduce the pitfall and message. No, they're creating a message. So creates no. That will post into the cloud. The cloud, what they do, the cloud, they're gonna finding some sources. And how we have to detect this, how we're gonna get rid of the vehicles. So that they are just permutation calculations are going on there. The main cloud server itself, right? The users are alerted of the forthcoming obstacle along with its location on their mobile application connected to the cloud. Right? The technical architecture is given the same side. IoT device. First, a camera is connected with the IoT device, and IoT device connects with the created in the IoT platform IBM Watson here. So in this cloud services, IBM Watson IoT platform is connected, and geolocation, that is like for example Google Maps. Let us take an example of Google Maps. You can able to find out detect the cracks from the accidents. Then it stores to the Node-RED installation, right? And the Node-RED submitted post to the web UI and the web UI, web user interface. The user will get the output for this. Then coming to the project objectives. By the end of the project, you will gain the knowledge of a Watson IoT platform. Then connecting IoT devices to the Watson IoT platform and exchanging the sensor data. Then we are exploring the Python client libraries of Watson IoT platform. Then for library for integrating OpenCV for accessing the video input, right? And explore Python libraries to implement recognition techniques of the input. Then gaining the knowledge of creating devices or platform using IBM Watson IoT platform. Then also the web application development through the Node-RED, right? We can able to aware of that in the future. We can able to create the devices in the Watson IoT platform of IBM, and we can able to install and deploy the Node-RED service. Then we can able to complete the project well, right? Coming to the right hand side, you have project workspace. Here we are seeing the project title is there. We have teams are here. Then industry mentor will be given and the faculty member is given. For us, it's just 36% overall project process is completed. the remaining 64% has to be completed yet. Then assigned task project also remains same, 36%. This is an intermediate based tasks. What are the skills they are required? They are used to require is IBM Cloud. IBM Cloud was an IoT platform. Last time what we have said, an IBM Node-RED and IBM Cloud and database, right? And mentor review is not sure gonna. Then general link section. Refer the project description, my source activities are references to understand the project deliverables. Then provide a GitHub details, collaborate with the project workspace repository. Then update the project completion statement by moving the cards to review in the Kanban code, that is under task and progress, right? Ensure that all project deliverables are uploaded to GitHub. It must be included. Upload the required files that which are worked on to the collaborated Git repository. Then a project report or a description in document type format. Then adding the screenshot what we have done in the work and output either in the writer or in Git format, GitHub repository. Then upload the links of the application which you have developed in the writer. If it is necessary, we have to upload the link. Otherwise, it's none. Then how to upload the a project demonstration video in at the end of the project to the GitHub. It's optional, but you have to upload it, right? Once the project completion stage is comes to the 90%, the mentor will review and approve the same, right? You can they can interact with the mentors by writing comments on activity cards. Then upon successful completion of the project, then project completion certificate will be generated at the end, right? Then viewing industry maker, no conversation itself. Clicking the view mentor comments is also not there. Is used why we are pressing demo link is used to asking to upload the video link. You can call it the upload later. Why we are pressing Git repo. This the PBL and TGP 21693 1683526 like much of number will be provided in this one. We have a private repository for this non-government SI. I have uploaded some assignment before that. We gotta see what and previous sites we have followed it. Project flow is first things first. We had the help of OpenCV. We analyze the final video and the final equation of a nearby pit hole while alerting the user of its existence is the first one. Then next, captured information will be published to the cloud, that is IBM Watson IoT platform, and sensor data is visualized in the web publication. Right? In this one, we are how to create and configure the IBM Watson IoT platform on the device, and how to create and install and deploy the Node-RED service. Then we have to develop the Python script and develop a web application using Node-RED services, and you have to develop the web application using Node-RED. Then testing the web UI by giving the required inputs. So we are pressing by pressing a prerequisites. We have here this detail described how we have to create an IBM account, install Node-RED and Python installation. I have created a IBM account so far. You can able to just what we are going to the explain how to install Node-RED. I have installed Python in 3.7 version, so it will be it's a mandatory to do for that. How to create a configure IBM cloud services. This will be posted later, and yeah, so many steps have been given in this one, and also the video link is provided here. Then develop the device code is given. Yeah, have the by clicking this one, you have blue colored letter, you have this this Python code will be provided here, and the link is provided, the Python code is provided in the GitHub itself, right? Then how to developing a web application using a Node, right? So following some steps, you can able to deploy the Node service, and some list lots of steps to be provided. Also, the code will be given here. While if bit hole doesn't shows it the status will be 0. Otherwise 1. It shows 1. It means that there is a pit hole in the road is there, right? And coming to down, then we have drag the function node, and so we have so much steps to do this. We have already pictures will be given here, and below that video also will be provided already, right? Ideation, coming to the ideation phase, ideation phase, and in this next ideation phase is here, project design phase 1 is here, project design phase 2 also here, and deployment also more than is here. Then project development phases also available. Performance and final submission, like first we are pressing the application performance metrics. Yeah, you have to perform you have to insert the screenshot like this. In IoT I have got this much of then we can able to enter the walkway code of this project, or the Python code what they have provided here, right? And coming to the project documentation, we have to prepare a project report as per the project template, then demonstration of the project. You have to record a video to demonstrate the features developed working of all projects, right? So as per then before ending this second video, see prerequisites. You can see is IBM account creation is got 90% progress. Node-RED installation got 90% progress, and install Python has also got 90% progress, and ending this one. Then creating the IBM and configuring the IBM cloud got process on 90%, right? And how to develop a device code to publish and subscribe it, that's also got have developed it and downloaded as a zip file. So have gone. So the web application has yet to be done. Ideation phase also done. Designed define a problem statement, empathize and discover, brainstorm and prioritize ideas also got a progress of 90%. With project design phase, under that proposed solution and solution architecture also will be there. Then in part 2 already I have completed all, including technical architecture, cloud deployment, more than this third-party APIs, open source frameworks are also there posted. So that's it from this part 2. Coming to the project development phase, number of functional features included in the solution will be posted. The code layout, reliability and reusability will be provided in the next video. Utilization of algorithms will be provided next, and debugging and traceability will be provided next, and finally except the handling of that. And that's enough. Then under task and progress section, finally coming to the performance. application project documentation, project demonstration has to yet to be uploaded. So these I have shown these ideation phase, project design phase, and part 1 and part 2 are posted in the GitHub sub. Before that, assignments has been posted already here for my in the Git repo. Final deliverables should be posted, and project design should be I have already posted here. In part 2 you can see proposed solution architecture is there, and design page 2 data DFDs and user stories, solution requirements, and the technology stack template is also here. Coming to the ideation part, brainstorming idea generation is available. Then empathy map and problem statement is all the files are posted in the GitHub, in our GitHub repository. Yes, so we have already posted this much of project. So yeah, you have readme.md files also created. So that's in this next video how we are gonna as in the second video we have explained how I have done so far, right? For the upcoming video, how we are gonna deploy the IBM the Node-RED service and publish, and how to publish and subscribe to IBM IoT platform, and how IBM cloud services are configured. They will be seen in the next video. But as of now, the winding up the second video. For this for the next third video, just stay tuned there, right?